Hey there, digital makers. Agent 003.14 here. This week, we have to keep it secret.
This week, I am sending Agent C and Agent X a secret message, and they show you how to decrypt the message using code in Scratch. As you are training to be an agent, I also recommend our Password Generator project, where you create a program in Python to generate super secret passwords. And try our Secret Messages project, where you create an encryption program using Python. You'll notice that these projects are all in multiple languages. Special shout out to the amazing translators all over the world who make this happen. Now head on over to rpf.io/home. And remember, keep it secret.